if you have a problem on your WhatsApp that you can't send a verification code on your phone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix that problem. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the main settings, all right, and then just let me go back, and then basically you can see you're gonna see the Wi-Fi option. Click on it, and then make sure that you just shut down the Wi-Fi and reopen it again, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the cellular, and then go ahead and click cellular data option. Above the voice and data, you're gonna see data data roaming. Just make sure that you turn it on. The data roaming is for the 5G iPhones, so to speak. So you can actually turn it on if you have a 5G iPhone, right? And what you're gonna do next, you gotta just go back to your screen, okay, and then basically go back to the main settings, right, and then scroll a little bit down, apps, and then scroll a little bit down to the messages. Make sure that you turn on the iMessage, right, and so you can receive messages on your iPhone, including the verification code there, okay. And you're gonna see an option unknown and spam. Make sure that you do not filter the unknown senders, like maybe junk mail and all that. Make sure that you shut it down so you can have access. So you have access to all the messages on your iMessage, including your verification code, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, just download the VPN in order to fix that problem, and you will be able to actually get a verification code on your WhatsApp on iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.